MPC Sample allows you to record and transfer your Splice sounds straight to the pads using a smart device and USB-C. Once you've downloaded the Splice app to your phone, log into your account and then you can access your personal library and then transfer or sample the sounds straight to the pads. Now I've got a sample here and I'm going to hit an empty pad and then sample record, and I'm now ready to start sampling. Hit the pad and then start your sample. We are now recording this directly to the pad. Now it's recorded that sample, let's play this back. We can adjust the level using our fader. And we can keep using this process from our sample library from Splice to keep adding more sounds to the pads. Now I can also transfer this sound to our SD card by mounting the SD card to our smart device. Now to do this, go to pad 16 and press the SD card access option. This will now mount the SD card to our iPhone. Now on our Splice app, we're going to download this sample. So let's go to the sample and we'll press the tab and we go download. And this is now going to save it to my files. So we go to download and copy it to our files. So now under files, we go here and what you will see when we go back, you'll see that MPC Sample is one of our locations. We select this and then we go down to our MPC Splice folder, and here we're going to paste our sample. So hold down on the screen, go paste, and now that sample is on our micro SD card. So now press exit out of SD card and it will demount straight from your phone. And now when we go into our samples, hit external, and we're going to go back and we're going to find our file library under our directory, which says Splice, and there's our sample. So now you can select this and load it straight to the pad. Having the ability to use your phone to move samples from your Splice account onto the SD card really gives you so many options. You can also sync your SD card to your computer and move your Splice library straight to your SD card. So now I'm going to finish making this beat using a whole collection of one-shots and samples that I've taken from my Splice account. And we're going to do all of this in real time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm Andy Mac. See you soon.